Welcome to second video of leaf and steam plot. In this video, we are going to explain second method, how to display steam and leaf plot. In this method, we use working formula this, which are explained in right side. Working formula. This working formula we is used to display steam and leaf plot. Here we write here the steam. Yes, steam. In steam, 10th place value is 0, 1, 2, 5. This is the steam. Steams are bold letter. And okay, now we are going to explain leaf. First of all these data are arranged in different columns. So first of all, um, go to data, select one column, go to data, text to column, then next here, tick on comma, and finished. Do you want to replace the content destination cell? Cancel 1 minute please. And data, text to column, fix with first of all this data is copied, Control X and Control V. Now this go to first of all select first column and go to data, next text to column, and then next tick on comma, finished. The data goes to different columns, to 10, 22, 25, 29, 31, 33, 35, again 35, 37, 37, 39, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 48 again, 49, 49, 50, 54, and 55. Okay. Now we are going to insert a formula to count leaf equals to repeat. Here is working formula repeat. R-E-P, repeat, double click on repeat, then 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 place, again, comma, count if, double click on count if, and select the data, given data, and in order to fix the data, use $sign. We are using $sign here to fix the location of the data. Command, and select first steam into 10 plus 0 close, and and. Now this formula is copied, Control C, copy, and here Control V. Now 0 is replaced by 1, 1. Here also 0 is replaced by 1. Again, here paste, again paste. 0 is replaced by 2, 2. 0 is replaced by 2. Again paste, Now 0 is replaced by 3, 3. 0 is replaced by 3, 3. Again paste. 0 is replaced by 4, 4. 0 is replaced by 4. Again paste. 0 is replaced by 5, 5. Here also 0 is replaced by 5. Again paste. 0 is replaced by 6, 6. Paste. Again 0 is replaced by 7, 7. Paste. 0 is replaced by 8, 8. Here is also 8. And finally, again paste. 0 is replaced by 9, 9. Okay. And finally, we do enter. And double click on the plus sign here on bottom right corner. Double click on bottom right corner. We get here latest leaf. Steam, and leaf. Steam and leaf. Steam and leaf. Okay. Now vertical bar is drawn. Okay. Hence, in this way, we also can display steam and leaf plot. Thank you very much for watching this video.